In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable an SSL certificate in Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First off, what is an SSL certificate? SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it's essential for keeping information secure as it travels across the internet. In today's digital world, having an SSL certificate is crucial for any online business. Now, let me show you how to enable SSL in your Zapier account. To get started, head over to your Zapier homepage. You can do this by going to zapier.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, which gives you access to all your Zaps and tools. Now, the next step is to click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. It's usually represented by your profile picture or initials. When you click there, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. Under Settings, you'll find various options to manage your account. Just click on it, and it will take you to a page where you can configure your account settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look for an option titled Security and Data. This section is crucial because it contains all the options related to security, including SSL. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a section called SSL Certificate Checks. This is where you can manage your SSL settings. If you're ever navigating through this and notice that the option for Disable SSL Certificate Checks is turned on, you'll want to turn that off. Doing this ensures that Zapier can continuously check the status of your SSL certificates, keeping your connections safe and secure. Now, after you've made your changes, don't forget to save your settings. It's a simple step, but an important one to ensure that your preferences are applied. And that's pretty much it. Enabling your SSL certificate checks in Zapier is a straightforward process that adds a layer of security to your integrations. If you followed along with this video, you should now have SSL certificate checks enabled in your Zapier account, ensuring that all your data transfers remain secure and encrypted. It's a small step that can lead to significant improvements in your data safety. So to recap, start with logging into your Zapier account, navigate to your profile, then to Settings, and finally to the Security and Data section where you check your SSL certificate settings. Remember to save those settings and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of tools like Zapier. Stay secure and happy automating.